Hello friends, this is Akhilesh from Datacense. Today we are going to learn how to convert numbers into words. This is a usual request which I receive on my social media account like TikTok or YouTube. So I thought let's create a video on this. So there are two methods to this. One is the macro method, VBA one, and other one is using a formula. So I will show you both of them. So when I type any number here, let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, I get to see the same number in words, and this is useful for a lot of accountants when you are raising invoice or when you are printing the checks. Let us see how to create these functions. The first one is using a macro and second one is using a function. So I will show you both how to implement it in your Excel files. So let us start with a blank Excel file. I would need a code for this particular function, and if you search on Google, you can find an article from Microsoft related to the same topic. And here you can see they have given a macro which you can copy and paste in your Excel file to create this particular function. Okay, so you have to copy it till end function. Okay, I am having a similar code in one of the text file which I am going to use. It is slightly modified. Okay, so I am going to use this one, but you can use either of them. Okay, so I will copy this code from here. Then I will go to my Excel file. Now you need to go to VBA editor. So you can press Alt F11 and that will open the VBA editor. You need to click on the first project, which is nothing but your current Excel file. And we are going to insert a blank module, and then we are going to paste our macro in this. After pasting the code, you can save the file. Now, because you have pasted it in this workbook, you have to save it as a macro workbook. So you need to click on no and then name it something. Let's keep the same name, but you have to change it to a Excel macro enabled workbook. And when you click save, now your macro will be working. Another important part in the macro is that here the function name which we will use to convert these numbers to words is spell number. And just below this, you will find these two important segments. So currently I am creating it for UAE currency, but you can change these major units and minor units according to your country. If you are in USA, you can change it to USD and cents. If you are in India, you can change it to INR and Paisa. So accordingly change these two values. Now I will click on save and then come out of this mode. Let us see if it is working or not. So I am typing a number here, and then in the next one I am saying spell. You can see the function is coming. These kind of functions are known as UDF, user defined functions, because we have created it. So we will use spell number and we will refer to this cell which is having our original number, and you can see it is converting it into words. You can use it like this also. If you have multiple values in a single column, you can use the function in one of the cell and then drag it down for other values. Now let us understand the formula method. I came to know about this method from one of the videos from Leela. This formula was written originally by Pete M. I will show you the formula text file which is having the formula. So I have this number in cell B2. Now I will copy paste my formula from here, and you can see here that my formula is based on cell B2. B2 I am using again and again in the formula. So copy this, and if your number is in some other cell, before copying just press Ctrl H to replace B2 with some other cell. That's the only thing before copying it. For my case, I don't need to change it. My B2 cell is having some number. I will write the formula here, and when I press enter, you can see it is converting it. 1, 2, 3 is nothing but AD 123 and 0 fills. And you can drag it down for other cells. This formula is working fine. And again here, let me take you through the formula. So the formula is very lengthy and it is having approximately 2700 characters. So some of the things which you might need to change is the initial text. Okay, that's your currency. So you can change it to your required currency. So this is the major unit and this is the minor unit. So change them according to your need, and rest of the formula can remain same. So these are the two methods which you can use to convert your numbers into words. Hope you found it useful. Please push the like button, share it with your friends and colleagues. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.